sheets of rain smashing properties, and lightning flashed and hail peppered homes. Even inside, for some, there was no escaping the wet.
Yeah, look at the roof. We've lost our roof.
The wind tore a roof from a house on Richardson's Lane, exposing timber and leaving warped iron resting in the yard. The storms out here have been short and sharp, but the damage bill is building. The people who rent this home only moved in a few days ago. Many of their possessions are now ruined and they're uninsured.
It's heartbreaking that they've just settled. It took them a couple of months to find somewhere to move to. The rental in Roma is not great.
Floodwater swamped crops, saturating fields and surrounding homes. The creek running through Dalby bursting its banks, covering roads, keeping emergency services on alert.
People lose their lives and their property in some of these.
Still, some ignored warnings.
Particularly local people are confident, they know where the road used to be, and that's the problem, it may not be there anymore.
At Muckadilla, a pub with no power but plenty of beer.